Mesosphere we have done? No. Now, mesosphere lies above the stratosphere and it extends up to 80 kilometers from the ground. Characteristics such as temperature decreases with height and it reaches a minimum of minus 110 degrees Celsius. Due to the reflected sunlight from the meteoric dust, there are wispy clouds also. এই যে সাদা সাদা clouds গুলো, wispy clouds are found in this layer. Then there is, so it is not that important, Thermosphere হচ্ছে, from mesopause it starts and it has two layers, as I told you, ionosphere and exosphere. Ionosphere হচ্ছে extends up to a height of about 400 kilometers. The characteristics are, it contains electrically charged particles, which are called ions, as you know, ionosphere. That's why, which creates a sheet-like display of light. There are this beautiful display of light. You can see aurora borealis and aurora australis. Aurora borealis is in northern hemisphere and aurora australis is in the southern hemisphere. Ions reflect radio waves. Also, radio waves are reflected back to the Earth's surface. It enables us to have wireless communication is also possible to it. So, radio communications can be done at the ionosphere level. Then comes the exosphere. Now, it is the uppermost layer in the structure of the atmosphere and it lies between 400 to 1500 kilometers above the Earth. It merges, and what does it do? It merges with the space. Atmosphere over, space is starting. In this layer, temperature increases with height. Ekdam ulta cheez happens. We know very little about the atmosphere extending beyond 640 kilometers ke baad. We don't know much about it. In the exosphere, density is extremely low. Air becomes thinner and thinner, and the main gases are only hydrogen and helium. The lighter gases are present, no other gases are there. So it is clear that the atmosphere extends more than 1,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Now we come to ozone and how is the ozone layer depleted. Ozone, as you know, O3, it's a form of oxygen. It is present in very rare amounts in the Earth's atmosphere and it is highly reactive and toxic also. It forms carcinogenic byproducts. It can cause cancer, ozone layer. So approximately 1 molecule out of every 2 million present in the atmosphere, out of 2 million molecules present in the atmosphere, 1 molecule is that of ozone. In the troposphere, only in small amounts ozone is found, but in stratosphere, that is 20 to 50 kilometers above the sea level, it is present in significant amount power jay. Stratosphere, it is produced by the action of high energy radiations from the sun, which strike some molecules of oxygen and convert them into, so the high energy of the sun converts some molecules of oxygen into ozone. But ozone decreases by sunlight acting on a number of pollutants in air. These pollutants are emitted by jet aircraft, by the hydrocarbons from automobile exhaust. It works. The concentration of ozone in the upper atmosphere is protective. So it protects us. So it is protective. It absorbs the heat of the UV rays of the sun. So that is its protective nature. The ozone layer in the stratosphere also protects Earth and its biosphere from extra heat. So it protects us from UV rays, as also the excess heat also is protected by this layer. But there is a danger of its depletion through harmful gases. Aste aste, the ozone layer is getting depleted, an increase in the level of CO2. So once this is depleted, the level of CO2 will increase in the atmosphere.